Hello everyone, welcome to our Hearty Eat series brought to you by the Heart Foundation of Jamaica. We have some exciting and fun-filled sessions where we will be showing you simple, creative ideas on how to use locally grown fruits, vegetables, herbs, and other Jamaican foods to make heart-healthy meals, snacks, and beverages. Get your chef hats on and your cooking skills ready to take on the kitchen. Stay tuned as we jump right into things.
Hi everyone, I'm Chef Latoya Panton and I have here with me Rihanna and my young chef Jace, and today we'll be working on a tropical fruit smoothie. Now guys, you know this is something that you can make at home very easily, and we always have some kind of fruit in season in Jamaica. Now what we have here, we have some papaya, sweet pineapple, mango, bananas, and we have some orange juice. So now this is something, Rihanna, when you're studying, you should be having really nutritious foods, and this is something that will be quick and easy for you to just go and blend up. And also for you, Jace, this is something that mommy and daddy will allow you to get into in the kitchen using the blender, and of course just being very careful. Now it's very simple, guys. We went ahead and peeled these up for you, but you could also have had these peeled and frozen in the freezer to just pop in the blender, right? We're also going to add to this some yogurt, and if you can't have milk, you can leave out the yogurt, but this will make your smoothie a little bit more nutritious. Okay, so now you guys can go ahead and just put this together quickly and just show everyone how quick and easy this is. So let's get the blender. We're adding a few ice cubes to this just to cool it down a bit. If your fruits were frozen, you wouldn't need the ice cubes. So go ahead, Jace. You want to add some ice. Rihanna, you can add some papaya. So go ahead, Jace. All right, let him just add the ice. Okay, good. And then Rihanna, we can add like a half of that. Well, all the papaya. Jace, can you manage to get some of this yogurt in for us? I will just add a half of that yogurt. Just pour that in. We won't be adding any sugar to this, guys. And we usually have, nice sweet fruits going. The banana, of course, will give us some sweetness as well.
Yes.
And it's important that we're using nice, fit fruits for this, so we'll get the advantage of the flavor, the sweetness. Jace, you want to get our banana peeler? So we can put about half of those pineapples in there. All right. And this is a good way now to get your sweetness in without the sugar, using your fruits. Okay. And then we're gonna get some mangoes. Add your banana, Jace. And Rihanna. And when it's mango time, guys, we have such an abundance of mangoes in Jamaica. More than we can eat. You can always peel these.
Enough mango?
Yeah, and we can add a little more. We can always store up our mangoes, so we have it out of season. Just cube them up just like that and freeze them. So we're going to add some orange juice here, and this again will help to give us some sweetness, as well as a little, just to get everything moving in the blender. So Rihanna, you can go ahead. And let's cover that. And that's how quick and easy that was. And it could have even been quicker if we had our fruits frozen. Our tropical fruit smoothie is ready to pour. And Jace, is there any question that you wanted to ask?
What other fruits could we add?
Okay, now you want to put in here fruits that you really love to eat. So let's say we can get frozen berries to buy. We could use those. Strawberries. But what we want to do first, think about what is available in Jamaica at the time, what's in abundance. One thing that can even go in here, guys, which may seem a little strange, is avocado. You could actually use avocado in your smoothies, okay? Try unusual fruits, like even our naseberries. And you can put ginger, you can put lime, you can put lemon, you could put melon, you could do a melon and lime smoothie, okay? So just think about what's available, what is in season, and use that. So Rihanna, what's your favorite Jamaican fruit?
My favorite Jamaican fruit would have to be the East Indian mango.
And that would be really, really good. You could just do a mango smoothie. which would be really good. That would be really delicious. So let's pour our smoothie now, guys. And that looks so refreshing, and it's nice and cool. So in the summertime, this is just perfect. Okay, so now we have our smoothie, guys, ready to drink. And remember this, you can even serve this as a frozen treat. We could actually freeze our smoothie and have it as a nice icy treat. Okay, so let's try this. Rihanna, you want to go ahead and try?
Sure.
And I'll try. It's nice. We're not missing the sugar. It's sweet because our fruits were so sweet. And Jace, I'm gonna pour some for you and you can give it a try. So there we have it, our quick and easy tropical fruit smoothie, which we did in just minutes. And you can give this a try at home.
For this and more heart healthy recipes, visit our website at www.heartfoundationja.org, on Instagram at heartfoundationja, and on Facebook at Heart Foundation Jamaica. Do enjoy!